In Sharon's kitchen, November 8th. Yeah, I got some pork chops, like the lean. I just bake it on plain. Green beans, some mixed vegetables, some broccoli, the kidney beans, pink kidney beans, cabbage, just steamed cabbage, collard greens, steamed down with one piece of turkey neck bones. I have brown pasta, whole wheat pasta. The Cornish hen, the bake, bake down plain with just peppers and onions and seasoning. Um, pumpkin, pumpkin pieces, and spinach. So I also have a green salad which is in the refrigerator. I didn't take out.